Let's go on to this. We are doing graph, all right. Lesson 38, pie charts, basically. So I go on, I have to cover this quickly, because I need to cover the extra question. One more turning in. Okay, right. The chart show Patrick how he spent the money. What fraction did he spend on food? So he's asking for food. And the total altogether from here to here is amount for $11. Sorry. $11 is for transport. Pink color is stationery, which is for 11. Food is for 10. So 10, 20, $32 here. Okay, in total there are $32. And then let me see who is Serena Esther. Okay. So in order to put them into fraction, okay, let's check. How can I do this? Okay. So you have 32 and food is 10. So 10 out of 32. And I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. 5 out of 16. Okay? All right. The group of 800 students, they were asked to name their favorite food, favorite sports here. So then after that, the pie chart showed their choices, and the number of the students who choose are represented by the different colors, and which one is the 5%. Actually, to be very obvious, the 5% is the smallest among all right now. So if you were to put it as rugby straight away, okay, don't even need to do any question, do any working for that. Okay, but if for those who wants to be sure, then you have to add all up. Okay, this is 360, rugby is 40, already 400. So this is 200, 200. So total 800. So in order to have this is 40 out of 800, multiply by 100%, then you will get 5% for this. So it's rugby. Okay. Next question. Number 3. Okay. Pie chart show how Alice spent her allowance. He wanted the amount of presents to the food. Okay. So the fraction on such expenses, the craft itself is this one, craft. Probably I use black. So craft itself, so the pie chart is 3 units. So the entire thing is 10 units. The toys is 1/3. So when this is 1/3 here. So if that's the case, I'll put them as 310. This is 1/3. And the present will be 2 out of 15. And now he's talking about food. So you have to actually use your this so-called calculation to find what is the missing fraction there. So 2 over 15, 1 over 3, and 3 out of 10. Then this one you will get down to 7 out of 30 after minusing. Okay. Okay, wow, so good. Thank you. Yeah, this class very good. Without me telling, all start to put in answer. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm so happy. Okay, you make my day. This is not 70 unit. Okay. So then the food will be 1 whole. This one I need to put it here. This is 1 whole. You minus 215, 1/3 minus 310, 215, 1/3, 310. you should get 7 out of 30 if I am correct. Okay, 2 out of 15, 1 out of 3, 3 out of 10, and then 1 whole minus 730. Okay, so 7 out of 30. If that's the case, can I put everything to 30 units? Okay, so I'm going to put 30 units. So this one will be 9, 10, 4, and 7. So presents will be 4. And food will be 7. Okay, thank you, Miko, Tommy, Shreya. Who else here? Quite a lot. Yeah, Shreya also. Okay, thank you. Thanks for helping. Okay, question number 4. In a class, all right. So in a class, each girl will choose one animal for their class badge, and the pie shows their choices. What fraction of the class chose black bear? Oh, black bear is this one. Okay. Okay, probably I would choose a black color to write. So tiger is 90 degree, which is this one. Then this one I got to use white. This is 1/4. Rhinoceros is half. Polar bear is 1 out of 10. I think polar bear looks like this. Buffalo, 1 out of 8, which is this. Oh, so tiny. And where is the black bear? Oh, wait. The green color is not this one. Okay, I repeat. This is polar bear is the blue one. Buffalo is the light. 1/8 is this one. Okay, and he wants the black bear. Okay, so for the black bear, you just need to find 1 whole. You have to minus half, minus 1/10, minus 1/8, minus 1/4, right? So okay. Oh, 2 plus this plus you get 20 minus 0.5. You get 3 out of wait, 1/4, 3/4. Okay, 1 minus the answer, 1 out of 40. Where is my? So this is 1 out of 40 for the answer. Okay. Question number 5. The pie chart represents the stationery. Yeah, correct. Okay. Thank you. Sold by a retailer, and there are equal number of pens and pencil. So let's check pens and pencil. Pen and pencil. So this and this the same. Okay. And then the retailer sold 6 more notebook. So where's the notebook? Then the stapler. What was the total number of stationeries sold? So you have this one as 35%. This is 29%. So from here to here, you have to use 100% minus 35% minus 29, right? 2935. And then you get this at 36% for this. Now having 36, here must be 18. Here must be 18%. Why 18%? Any idea why? Because I divide the 36 divided by 2. Yeah, they are equal. So what is the total number of stationery? 6 more notebook than stapler. Okay, so I need to have 35 minus 29. That is the diff. And okay, I think yes. Yeah, you are right. So equals because the diff is 35% minus, and this is 6%. So since 6% will give you 6, 100% will give you 100 for the answer. Okay. Question 6. The school camp jackets are available in 4 colors: gray, red, gold, and green. And at the camp, each one is supposed to choose one, and the pie chart represents the choice. 33 of them chose gray. So gray will be this one. So this one of them, 33, chose gray. The participant choice of the jacket is represented by the bar graph. So gray, this one will be 33, right? So this is 33. I write it here. From here to here. And the red is 45. So red is 45 means this one is 45. And the green is also 45. Okay, good. So I write here 45. Now the question is, how many participants will choose gray? So I have all this total here, from here to here. I will have 90 plus 90 plus 66. Oh, I don't have to. It's actually 114. I know already. Correct. Because for 90 degree is equals to 45 jacket. So if this is 114 degree, it will be 45. This one is all about overhead bridge. I don't want to say again. Okay. 57 for the answer here. Okay. So 57. So if you don't need to draw because they didn't ask you to draw. They just give you the question. So you just have to leave it that manner. Okay, 1 degree is half, correct? Okay, thank you, Shreya. Joseph is just here. Okay. Okay, next question. The pie chart shows different type of muffins. 2/3 of the muffins are blueberry. So 2/3. Wait, probably I use this. This is blueberries. Okay. Then this is apple. And this is chocolate chip. C, chocolate chip. And this is coffee flavor. And if I look at the fractions, blueberry 2/3. Okay, so 2/3. 1/5 apple or chocolate. Apple or chocolate. That means this portion here is called 1/5. Okay, there were 2 times as many apples as chocolate. So this one can be cut into 3 parts, which is true, right? 2 times as much as this. Okay.
Isn't it coffee? It's apple or chocolate chip, not coffee.
Wait, coffee is 8, right? Blueberries, chocolate chip is the lighter green, right? So he wants apple muffin, which is the fractional 8. 12, 2/3, 1/5. Okay. What is the fraction that you have? Let me check your answers.